cannot just be me, but a lot of these cryptocurrencies have like animals as their symbols or whatever. Like first we got Dogecoin, now we got Pink Panda, but I'm kind of vibing with it. Hey guys, it's Team Wealth here and welcome back to my channel. I'm very excited about today's Pink Panda finance topic today, so subscribe if you want more cryptocurrency videos and like this video, but let's get right into it. So right off the bat, taking a look at their website, they claim to be a utility token for the most intricately designed mobile wallet and DEX for BSC. So we're off to a pretty good start because I myself am always one for tokens that have a utility and have a use in the future. So it's just not sitting around kind of doing nothing as an investment. And you know what? It can be a little bit controversial, but there is a debate between Bitcoin or like cryptocurrency mining and also the energy costs. And you know, for cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, 50% of its energy is renewable energy, but as of right now with Pink Panda, because it is relatively new and it hasn't even fully launched yet, we don't know, you know, the sources of how their mining is going to be like, so we'll just have to see. And however, right now it may not be used as an actual form of currency to buy in exchange for goods, because once again, similarly to SafeMoon, it does have that 10% pay per hand fee. You know, 5% is going towards its shareholders and 5% towards a liquidity pool. But once again, the app is still in development and we may see changes in the near future, because even on their website it's stated that it has a lot of other uses, and they're also hoping to roll out features every single week on their mobile app. Now, one thing that seems to really be their selling point is their community and charitable values. In fact, Pink Panda has already donated $6,000 worth of cryptocurrency to the American Cancer Society and the GoTo Foundation for Lung Cancer. In fact, they even have a screen recording up on their website showing proof of donation, and this is actually one of the suggestions for improvement. So it seems that Pink Panda always takes into considerations what its users want. And speaking of community, Pink Panda is hyper-focused on building a global community. So not only domestically, but across the entire world. They have groups in various languages like English, Spanish, Japanese, Korean, Russian, and Arabic. Also, the website indicates that they're going to be launching with 1 quadrillion new tokens, yes, 15 zeros, and once they release it, they're going to be burning 50% of it, which is crazy. You know, it's just to generate some scarcity, which is good, and also 5% of that is going to be towards development and also expense costs. And you know, I'm definitely big for reinvesting in a company and also putting money back into it, because that's how you grow. So you know, that's pretty good. And also development expenses for cryptocurrency and anything are expensive, so good on you for that. And the other 5% will go towards charity and marketing, hopefully more so towards charity, but we love to see it. Another big thing that really caught my attention about Pink Panda and its developers is transparency. Not only do they have a roadmap on their website just talking about the different goals that they want and whether they've achieved them or not, as you can see there's like a check mark right next to it, but they even have a whole PDF of their audit out on the website, audited by Desert Finance. Essentially, the auditing company looks at all projects and also contracts that are made on the Binance Smart Chain, and judging from the audit, the company is looking pretty promising. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you're new here, and also let me know in the comments, because I want to know if you guys are going to be investing in Pink Panda, and I'll catch you guys next time.